Welcome to TechSphere. Today we're taking you inside the offices of the world's biggest tech companies to uncover how their designs and strategies reflect the visions of iconic CEOs. From Tesla's innovation hubs to Apple's futuristic campuses, these spaces reveal the leadership philosophies shaping the future. Let's explore. In the world of tech, offices are no longer just places to work. They're ecosystems designed to inspire innovation, collaboration, and loyalty. These spaces serve as physical manifestations of company values and strategies, embodying everything from sustainability to creativity. CEOs increasingly view their headquarters as a vital part of their leadership toolkit, using design to motivate teams, attract top talent, and strengthen their brand identities. Elon Musk is a leader who thrives on efficiency, and his offices at Tesla and SpaceX reflect this ethos. At SpaceX headquarters in Hawthorne, California, the open concept design encourages real-time collaboration, enabling teams to solve complex challenges quickly. Musk's leadership style, hands-on and intensely focused, is mirrored in the Workspaces functionality. His presence is often felt directly as he immerses himself in team projects to ensure innovation never slows. Tesla's gigafactories, sprawling across continents, embody Musk's ambition for sustainability and scale. These factories are not just production hubs, they're testaments to Musk's vision of transitioning the world to renewable energy. With minimalist interiors and an intense focus on optimizing workflows, these facilities align perfectly with Tesla's mission of environmental impact and technological progress. Musk's offices aren't about luxury. They're about driving results. His leadership philosophy emphasizes speed, accountability, and a willingness to challenge the status quo, which is evident in every corner of these spaces. Google's Mountain View campus, the Googleplex, is often hailed as the ultimate tech workplace. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, has cultivated an environment where creativity thrives. The offices are designed to encourage moonshot thinking, with amenities ranging from nap pods to fitness centers and collaborative outdoor spaces. Under Pichai's leadership, Google has also implemented the famous 20% time policy, allowing employees to dedicate part of their work week to passion projects. This culture of exploration has led to groundbreaking innovations like Gmail and Google Maps, reinforcing the idea that giving employees creative freedom pays off. Pichai's approach to hybrid work is equally forward-thinking. By embracing flexibility while maintaining the vibrancy of in-office collaboration, he ensures that Google remains a hotbed for innovation. This blend of autonomy and structure is key to Pichai's vision for a dynamic, resilient workforce. Apple Park, the Cupertino campus, often referred to as the spaceship, is a reflection of Tim Cook's meticulous leadership style. The circular design fosters connectivity, ensuring that departments work in harmony. Inside, the minimalist aesthetic aligns with Apple's product philosophy, blending beauty and functionality seamlessly. Cook's commitment to sustainability is evident in every detail of Apple Park. Powered entirely by renewable energy, the campus features extensive green spaces and an environmentally conscious infrastructure. Employees benefit from wellness initiatives and state-of-the-art facilities, furthering Apple's reputation as a company that values its workforce. By creating a campus that mirrors Apple's innovation and sustainability goals, Cook ensures that employees are constantly reminded of the company's mission to make a positive impact on the world. Satya Nadella has transformed Microsoft's culture, prioritizing empathy, inclusion, and adaptability. His leadership is reflected in the company's Redmond, Washington headquarters, which features open workspaces, wellness centers, and meditation rooms. These spaces support mental health and foster a sense of community. Nadella's embrace of hybrid work models has reshaped Microsoft's operations. He has championed the use of tools like Microsoft Teams to ensure seamless communication between remote and in-office teams. This adaptability highlights Nadella's belief in empowering employees to work in ways that suit their needs, driving both satisfaction and productivity. By prioritizing people, Nadella has turned Microsoft into a company where innovation and empathy go hand in hand. Amazon's headquarters in Seattle features one of the most unique office designs in the tech world, the spheres. These glass domes house over 40,000 plants, creating a biophilic environment that reduces stress and boosts creativity. Initially envisioned by Jeff Bezos and now overseen by Andy Jassy, this innovative space symbolizes Amazon's commitment to thinking outside the box. Jassy's leadership has further emphasized the importance of adaptability and employee satisfaction. Initiatives like flexible work options and advanced training programs demonstrate Amazon's investment in its workforce. The spheres stand as a reminder that even in the world's most demanding workplaces, innovation and well-being can coexist. Tech companies are at the forefront of designing workplaces that are both eco-friendly and adaptable. Flexible layouts, renewable energy initiatives, and cutting-edge technologies are becoming the norm, setting new standards for the future of work. For example, Facebook's Menlo Park campus, designed by Frank Gehry, combines sustainable architecture with open spaces that encourage collaboration. The campus includes a rooftop park and energy-efficient systems, reflecting Facebook's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint while fostering innovation. These designs demonstrate how leading companies are redefining the workplace, ensuring that their offices remain relevant in an increasingly remote-friendly world. The design of these offices isn't just about functionality, it's about embodying the philosophies of their CEOs. Elon Musk's focus on efficiency, Sundar Pichai's emphasis on creativity, Tim Cook's precision and sustainability, and Satya Nadella's empathy-driven leadership are all reflected in their company's spaces. These leaders understand that an office is more than just a place to work. It's a tool for inspiring teams, building culture, and shaping the future. By aligning office design with strategic goals, they're not only fostering innovation, but also cementing their legacies as visionaries of the tech world. What's your take on the strategies behind these tech offices? Which CEO's approach do you find most inspiring? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.